Marky Mark's Woodshop 101.
Oh, hi there. We're making our trash can for the new bathroom last night. This is one of the sides to the trash can. And we decided today we're going to make some inlays for the trash can. A shamrock and a rose. And we'll have one of each on each panel. So I'll be using a Delta Q3 saw, which they discontinued years ago. It's an awesome saw. I don't know why they discontinued it. It's like a commercial grade unit in between the toys and the industrial stuff. It provided a nice fill with the niche. In fact, when I went to buy this, they had discontinued it like a month or two before I made my decision. And the people I used to deal with, Scary in Baltimore, they're not there now. Went and found one for me on a competitor's shelf. So that was nice of them. Gave me a good price, and I've been very happy with this unit ever since. Never a minute's problem. So, time to use it. Cut out some inlays.